So I was about to put a new hatch in because the original, they're all broken along this hinge. And yes, I will be taking the RPO sticker off of this side, and I will try and get either replacement or get the original stickers off of this side for the jacking. So I know that they're behind you. This is all the screws that I've marked. You know, passenger side, stick shift, center console. But anyway, I went to go do that, and I was like, well, let me look at the screws I used that came out of that, and they are just not in the greatest shape. So I was going to clean them, but then, hey, I have a couple screw kits, and here's one of them. Unfortunately, the screws from the screw kit, just give me a second here. The screws from the screw kit are not the same size as the originals. They're not even the same thickness. So, yeah. So I gotta clean these up, the originals up, before I can put the hatch in. So after doing a little bit of a cleanup on these hatch compartment screws, you can see that this one looks a lot thinner and better than that one, but this took like, it's not perfect. What I can do is I can screw it in a little bit in this cardboard and give it a coat of paint to make it look nice. 9 more to go. All right, there they are. All 10. Wire wheel down, cleat up. Now I'm going to shoot them with some of this from Rust-Oleum, so that see if I can get that out of that. There we go. Hit it with this from Rust-Oleum, so any surface rust I couldn't grind off, and then I'm going to shoot them with the black dye for the interior. And next time I'm going to get a tumbler with some fine grain aggregate, and I'm just going to tumble my screws. Like a tumbler for shell casings, I'm going to use the same thing, a tumbler to do these screws. Because that was an absolute pain to wire wheel them all down. So, looks like I'm going to be going shopping a little later. So, spray coat with the black. Be right back. While they look fantastic with just the Rust-Oleum on them, I think I am not going to bother with the black dye.